How the tits are you there, buddy?
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Listen, I need to make an appointment. What happened was I was taking down the Christmas lights and I fell off the second step of the ladder. My back is killing me.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I don't know what I need, but I need something quick.
Okay.
Ooh, warm baths ain't cutting it.
No, that won't do it.
Certainly knew it.
You want to come in tonight?
Absolutely. What time you got? Oh, shit.
3 o'clock?
How's 3:30 ticket, you dick?
3:30's fine?
Yeah.
You know where my office is?
Nah, if you could give me a little information.
Where you coming from?
I'm coming from Holbrook.
Okay,
The
you know
Lone
where
Star
Waverly
State?
Avenue is?
Yeah.
Hey, you down Waverly Avenue. You know where the Bank of New York is?
Absolutely duty.
Okay, right before the bank is a big sign that says 450.
450. I can remember that probably.
Okay, well, when you're heading towards Sunrise Highway, you pass the entrance to the Home Depot.
Shut up.
Just keep on going. Another 100 yards, a big sign, 450. Make a right turn into the parking lot.
All right, that sounds like something else I would like to
Go down
join.
to the back of the parking lot on the left-hand side.
And how much is your prices worth?
You have any insurance?
Yes, I do.
What do you have?
I got the AARP insurance through them.
Yeah, that's no good.
Ah, god damn it, it's no good anywhere.
No.
They talked me into buying it. Next thing I know, I'm fucking paying up my asshole for medicine bills.
But do you have Medicare?
Yes, I do.
I take Medicare.
Okay, now you're talking my language, sonny boy.
There you go.
Let's slap our tits together, make something going.
Okie doke.
Two wrongs don't make a right.
Sometimes they do.
Well, you never know what could happen these days.
We'll see you later.
All right, goodbye.
Bye.